Friends, I've changed my position. Oh, that the BRKY is already bounced this morning. That's okay. I'm waiting for a pullback. I told you when it comes down lower. But I actually want to show you. It actually just came up when I started pulling here. Is I changed out my position. I sold some of the silver. I'm still holding the short position SLV, right? But I cleared out some of it, so I'm down to about, I don't know, about 20% holding on that sucker now, because I just didn't like the silver trade. It's not moving fast enough. That's probably rip up, so you might want to buy it. But anyway, so now I'm actually looking at, oh my God, what is going on here? Every time, I swear, this thing, it locks up. Okay, so I went into boil. Now, I know natural gas is a dangerous trade, don't you know? But I think there's a good scalp here, okay? I got in, they already went underneath me. Darn it. I got anxious. I got in at 21.24, okay? But that's okay. I mean, I was just anxious, because what you do is when you sell one and get the other to avoid a market movement loss, especially if you're going from the short to a long position. And that's kind of what I'm doing, is I'm chaining one commodity, you know, the difference from a silver to a natural gas. You want to do it quickly, because the entire market moves in tandem. So you're going short to long, so you got to do it within a minute. So don't worry about if you don't time it perfect, because now I looked at the sell just on silver, it probably, let's see, actually, yeah, the short on silver, it probably already bounced up. I can show you that in a second here, right? It bounced up. So anyway, here's the thing, the reason I boil. Look at that. I mean, look at this. You got a heavy stick. I mean, here's the danger, though. Why I don't like my trade, because the MACD is pointing down. It could be way down here. But here's the thing. It's historic. See how that MACD is not even turning yet. I'm jumping way early. So this could be, that's why I don't recommend. You might want to wait cautiously if you want to do this trade. But you look at this. Look at the heavy volume stick that we have. We've had two. Every time this thing goes down, they're accumulating, right? So I'm front running this thing a little bit, and I went into the boil. Okay, let's see here. Look, see that? Look at that. See how you had the stick, and then you can see it's going to roll over because the volume dropped off really low. Overall, kind of dropped down, and it should have been, and so then you get these heavy sticks again. So also, the thing is, I don't like playing natural gas much, but what's that, NAT? And NAT, is that natural gas other? I don't know. Oh, UNG. Let's look at UNG real quick, right? All right, UNG. Now, see, we got those two gaps down. I want those gaps to be filled. Is that 1, 2? There we go. And look, oh my gosh, natural gas here. Yeah, that's got a stick on it. Look at it. I wonder why boil is hitting so hard. And see, look, we had a heavy distribution the day before. There again, though, the MACD is not looking good. I'm sorry. It is so hard for me to adjust this for you, my friends. All right, so here we go. We're zooming in here. All right. So here's the deal. You got that gap there, and also because that stick there, boy, they cleared out the house. Now I want to see what the volume is today, right? But this ain't a good bottom candle. That one was a pretty good one here, right there. So what we want to see after the holiday break is we want to see a stick like that, like just that green stick after that red one here. So this is green. It might close green. We want to see a stick like that, right? Where the next one then starts climbing back up here, fills the gap, and then maybe comes back down, or maybe hits the other one. Maybe some weird thing where boil just explodes. All right, so there's the trade. That's how I'm doing. I'll do a more update later. Still holding the UVXY, the VIX, and all those others, okay? I'll do a portfolio breakdown later. Take care, God bless.